Wave India has now come to Mudiali Club to know the theme of this club.
Our theme is totally environment, and our slogan is একটি গাছের লক্ষ পাতা, একটি পাতা জীবনদাতা.
This theme is all about environmental awareness and the main motto is to save the trees, because trees, there are 1,000 leaves on the trees and every leaf is the sustenance of the life. Every leaf is the sustenance of life. The whole objective of this puja is to send a message universally that we must save our trees, we must save our environment. Without the trees, without the flora, we cannot survive. No animals, no human beings can survive without this plant foliage. The whole, if you see the things, there are a lot of things that are given, even the animals depend upon the trees. The plant kingdom needs to be saved at all the cost. Only then the human beings can live happily.
এখানে সমস্ত প্যান্ডেলে আমরা যে সমস্ত জিনিস ব্যবহার করেছি সেগুলি সমস্তই উদ্ভিদ থেকেই আসা, যেমন মস খুব ঠান্ডার জায়গায় হয়, গাছে রেইন ফরেস্টে পাওয়া যায়। একটা মেহগিনি বলে একটা গাছ আছে, সেই গাছের ফলের ফাইবার থেকে বিভিন্ন কাজ করা হয়েছে, যেমন দেখতে পাবেন আউল বানানো হয়েছে, পেঁচা, প্রজাপতি, সমস্তই ওই ফাঙ্গাস ইউজ করা হয়েছে, মস গাছের মস এবং মেহগিনি গাছের পাতার ফাইবার ইউজ করা হয়েছে।
The whole thing has been created out of the resources which we find from the plant kingdom. Whether it's the owl or the butterfly, all things that are available in the jungles, in the plants, that has been taken up. We see the goddess Durga so exquisitely decorated. The rich carvings that we see on the floors all has been constructed through the jute and bamboo. These are the commonly found things. We are also trying to promote the small scale industries in Bengal so as to, because puja is not just a celebration, it is also a socio-economic event that affects the Bengalis culturally, socially, economically, and most importantly religiously. As we see on all sides, there are beautiful carvings, all that has been created. It's a human creation. If man can be so creative, then why can't man look after his own welfare? The only way to look after one's own welfare is to save the environment and at the same time save the trees. Without trees, there will be no oxygen and the entire human beings race will not survive. So we must save the trees in order to save ourselves. Luxury is one thing, but the second thing is sustenance. We must live. To live, we have to save the trees.